Hey friends, and welcome to Number Corner. We're going to start off by checking our moon phases. Yesterday, remember, is a waxing crescent. And let's see if we can, oh my goodness, we can see a little bit more of it. And I just love watching the change in what we see of the moon. So let's take a look at our Number Corner page. Thank you to all of you that are following along and doing it regularly every day. You're learning lots. Okay, so today is Wednesday, September 23rd. And this is our abbreviated date. 9 is for September. 23 is the date of September. How many days have passed in September? And this is our year. Before we look at the number grid, I want you to think about how many more days. We only have 30 days in September, so take a minute. How many more days until we get to October? All right. Let's see, we could count on, right? So we're going to stop at 30, but let's put 23 in our hand. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 7 more days until we get to October. Right now, start making your prediction while I show you the calendar grid. So we have popsicle sticks, dots, tally marks. What is today going to be? You ready? Did you write it? Let's see. Oh, popsicle sticks. And I'm going to make that bigger. You can barely see it. So it looks like I have 2 groups of 10s and 3 ones. Okay. Did you make that prediction? Great job. Let's go ahead and fill out ours. You guys are going to model here. Okay, fill this out. I am going to do this one. So it's September 23. Okay, and I have 2 groups of 10, 10, 20, and I have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. And let's see right there. Here's my group of 10. I'm going to circle it. So I have 2 10s. And how many ones? Yep, 3. All right, I bet you already know the equation. Write it. Good job. Did you say 20 plus 3? And that equals 23. Excellent job, friends. All right, let's go back to our days in school. Okay, I'm gonna pull up ours. Yesterday was the 23rd day of school. Remember, don't confuse it with how many days in September. So we're gonna add another X. So we have 2 10s, whoops, sorry, 2 10s and 4 ones, and that makes 24. Let's erase this. So while you are writing 24 here, and how many 10s and 1s are in 24, I'm going to write it here. So we have 24, 2 10s, and 4 1s. Okay, the word 24 it's hard to see here. Let's erase that. Try again. Okay. 24. Okay, now you can make any equation you like. I do like those 10 and more, so I'm going to write 24 is the same as 20 plus 4. Now I want you to notice, some of you might think that I did it backwards, but I didn't do it backwards because look, this equal sign means the same as. So whatever is on this side needs to be the same as what is on this side. That means it's equal. So 24 is equal to 20 plus 4. But you can write anything that you want to show 24. Great job. Let's go to our coins. We only have a nickel and a penny. So let's see what we're going to get today. Oh, another nickel. There we go. So on your chart, we need to write a nickel. Excellent job.